Good day, traders. How we doing today? We had a double bottom right here. We had some more trades over here. We had a double bottom right here, right near the pivot, the main pivot of the day, the double P, and it's blue. And yeah, it was like this. And as you can see, it went up very nicely, way up to the top. 530 potential, ticks, points, whatever you want to call them. This second trade here, higher highs and lower high on the indicator. And yeah, this one here was good for 598. If you know, max potential, you never would have got that, of course. And then we had this third trade right here. Something like this. Yeah, there it is. That one was good for 290. That is the NASDAQ, and we're looking at the, you know, the American session, the USA session. It's crazy how that whipped right back up again. Oh, man. What can you do when you live in a shoe? Okay, so now we're going to drag over the mess. Let's look at the mess now. Okay. Yeah, there's divergence there too. Right here. Yes, technically to this high right here. And this one's going down, so when it's pointing down on the OSMA, it means the price is going to go down, which it did. We just need a arrow there to sell from. And the total potential down was 43, 4.3, whatever it is, ticks or points on the S&P. Okay, so then let's move that out of here because we have more divergence here. Right down, see? And this one's going right up. It's so funny, you know, I can't believe it myself, but it's so funny how most, like from what I've heard anyway, most traders, they refuse to trade divergence because it shows up all the time on each turn of the market. Like right here's another setup, right? So they totally, how do you say, discontinue the you know, like how good it is. I don't know the word to use right now. Yeah, they don't trade it because they don't. Oh, I use, or they say, oh, I use divergence with this or with that or for a double confirmation. That's all they want to use it for. And it's so good. It's on every flip and turn, man. You know, but they don't see it that way. And they laugh. You know what the divergence you know what the divergence is from some of these traders? That heard of divergence? Maybe even you think this way too. They think that when the NASDAQ's going up and the S&P's going down, that's divergence. It is divergence, but it's not the kind of divergence I look for in trade. I look for it on the chart. You know what I mean? And I teach you guys and share this information with you guys that it's always on the chart with the OSMA and the moving averages that I have and the pivots, you know, and the whole numbers. That's what I have on my chart. Not it's quite a few things, but not a lot of things, right? And look at how clean my charts look. Look. Look at how clean they look, man. I tell you, I can't believe it. Every day I can't believe my eyes that I see this divergence and I do the trades. It's crazy. It's just crazy, is what it is. Very crazy. I done this trade today somewhere in here, and yeah, took a good one. Um, I got out. I did it again. I got out in here somewhere, and then got back in here, and I actually got out at 54, 40, 43. Like 1 or 2 or 3 ticks from the bottom, or points or whatever. Yeah, it was pretty dumb luck. And right after that, what did it do? Within 6 minutes or so, it shot right up, and it kept going. Right up to the 54.75 level right here. Okay. I needed some water there. Okay, so there's the 3 setups of today. Well, actually, there's another one right here. What am I talking about? We got to draw it from this one because we can't draw it from here to here because this side is bigger than this side. You see what I mean? We can't do that. It has to be the opposite of that. Okay? So then you just go a little farther back and you find this one and you bring it to the line, and look, there's divergence. It's just a little tweakage. And you would have got long right in here like this. And that was a good one. So say you got in right here, max potential, 91, man. Wow, what a big move. Isn't that crazy? They got they got everybody buying in here. That's what they did. Look at this big takeoff candle too. And then they brought it all the way down. Then down here they had everybody selling. And then they bring it right back up again. I'm sorry, I have to laugh. It's not funny, but fuck. I feel sorry for all the traders who were on the wrong side of that. If they had my divergence system, and especially my moving averages, which is a very important part of this whole puzzle of this system, they wouldn't be on the wrong side. That's what I'm trying to say. Because right here, the 5's below the 7, you can only sell. Okay? Over here, the 5's above the 7, you can only buy. See? And over here, the 5's below the 7, you can only sell. The 5's above the 7 here, and you can only buy. You see what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, it's such a beautiful thing. I'm just blown away. Every day I see this, I'm just blown away. And there's so many different systems out there in the world. Think about it. There's millions of people who trade. A lot of them come up with their own thing. You know? Just like I came up with my own thing here. Did it come, did I invent it or whatever? No, it's just something. I started with moving averages back in September of 2005. That's how long ago I first started looking at charts. Before that, I had my broker place my trades. Yeah. Mr. Tim Hannigan. May he rest in peace. But anyway, here's the 3 or 4 setups. Here's a sell, it was a win. Here's a buy, it was a win. And then a sell, and then a buy. Beautiful, beautiful thing. And yeah, it was great. So that's the mess we're looking at. We already covered yeah, we already covered the MNQ. Oh, I'm so forgetful. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's bring up the MetaTrader now. Here it is. Let me drag that over. Right in its spot. Okay. And look at this thing, see? There's no divergence. This is the 5 minute. That's how fast this market moves, that sometimes the 5 minute can't even catch a trade. You know what I mean? So we got a high retracement, higher high. But this is higher on this side. There's no divergence to sell it here. All that there is the 5 crossing down below the 7. You sell it and down it goes. And down here, well, we could tweak this one a little bit, I guess. Yeah, we could tweak that one. Okay, so we had some divergence on this one. La-di-da. Better than nothing. On the 5 minute, that is. Somewhere in here you would have got long. And that's the S&P. Yeah, that's the S&P. NASDAQ. What did NASDAQ 5 minute do? There's no divergence to buy it. But I guess there's divergence to sell it. Just got to tweak it a little bit like that. See, it's kind of pointing down. There you have it. I was up all night last night. Jesus. Crazy. We got divergence here. This is the 5 minute NASDAQ, ladies and gentlemen. Right there, you would have bought it. And up it goes. It went up 92. That's a NASDAQ. Lower close. Buy it. Up it goes. Would have been a good trade. There's another one over here too. Let me show you. Right there. Lower close. Buy it. Up it goes. Okay, let's move on. That's a NASDAQ. Yeah, we already done the S&P. Now the Dow Jones. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful trade. Look at this one. Woo-wee. Pretty darn cool. Right there. See it? I know you see it. That's not an easy one to find on the chart now, is it? Because it's hidden divergence, which I call hard to see divergence because it's hard to see it. But I saw it. Here it is. And it was a good trade on the Dow. Right there. Oh, and we have another one. Let me show you. Right here. We'll just hook it up to there, okay? And where was that one? Oh, it's right here. See, it's going up. This one's going down. We would have got long in here. And it went up, yeah, 150. Oh, I don't know what it went up. Whatever it went up on here. Anyway, 2 good trades here, 2 good wins right here on the Dow. So let's look at the pound dollar now for a sec. It looks a little rough. A little rough. Some fake out shit here. Look at this here, eh? See? Back here to here. See? From a higher mountain peak to here, there's your divergence, right? One's going down. This one's going up. It's hidden divergence. Right there. And down it goes. 20 pips. Now, was this divergent? Level divergence. These lower lows right here are level. Pretty much level divergence. See? Level. There's no there's no such thing as level divergence. It's something I made up because I used to be a bricklayer, and I used to look at a level. You know, you'd lay the bricks, and then you put the level on top, make sure it's level. If you're building a corner, like out of blocks, you go, what is it? Level, plumb, tail. But I won't explain to you what it is to fucking do that. Anyway, that was in my first phase of life when I was 20, 25. Yeah, I think so. I did it for 6 years. Went to college, bricklayer by trade. Yeah. Crazy days. I sure as hell couldn't do that job today. Lift up 100-pound blocks. Yeah, I don't think so. I do not think so. Okay, what about this here? I don't know about this one. We'll mark it up anyway. So that's why I call that level divergence. It really does not exist. It does not exist, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, but if you want to believe in it and make it, see, this is level 2, so it's not really divergent either. But you could have done this. Here, let me show you. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. You could have took profit. You had to make a decision when it was down here, but it told you to sell right on the open up here. You see, it's a timing thing in the market, eh? That's why when you do some of these trades here, there's like zero drawdown. You know what I'm saying? Like right here, higher close, sell it, down it goes. Oh, I forgot to show you my hook down on the, I think it was on the S&P on the 2-minute chart. I'll have to go back to that if I remember. Okay, and here, look, here's a hook down right here. See it? You see it, ladies and gents? Right there, we have this candle closing above, then the next candle, they smack it right down. You would have sold it right here. Right in here, you would have sold it, and down it went. You would have made profit. Okay, that's good enough for the pound. Euro? Oh, God, it's a choppy mess. Forget that. Pound yen? Oh, pound yen come down. Yes, indeed. Right here. Beautiful. Is it to that one? Yep. Look at that, eh? That's divergence. Yeah, that's divergence, man. And you would have got short. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, that's in the wrong place. You would have got short over here. And then look what happened. This come up and freaked people out. They jumped off, and then it went in their favor. Because this was a sell here, and the stop would have been right here, not a pip lower, not a tick higher, or pipette, or whatever. And it would have been a really good trade. It would have went against you and freaked you out, but look what happened. It just came right down. And look what we have over here on the way down. We have a hook down. Buy fake, smack it down, sell it, down it goes. Here's a higher close. There's so many trades, man. Right here. Higher close, sell it, a little bit of drawdown, and down it goes. There you have it. There you have it. Pound yen. Euro yen? It's the same chart, isn't it? Yeah. I'm not going to mark it up. It's the same chart as the pound yen. You know that story. You guys know that story. Okay, oil. What did oil do today? Oh, bugger, what a bugger. 143 points from the low there to the top right here. Yeah, we have divergence. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. La-di-da. Right there. And right there to there. and you would have got long right in there, and up it went. Look at this one, eh? Lower close, or I mean, yeah, lower close, buy it, up it goes. That's enough with that. There was no divergence up here because it went up too fast, and the OSMA followed the price up. Because always on the right side of the divergence setup on the OSMA, it needs to be less than the left side. Unless we're looking at hidden divergence, that's a different story. But anyway, you guys know what I mean. Okay, so let's look at gold now. What did gold do? See, sometimes I have to make the chart smaller so I can see the divergence. Look at those double bottoms, eh? This is gold. This is gold, man. Right there, double bottom. And right there, double bottom. Over here, there's divergence too. Lower lows right there. And the divergence is right there. And somewhere up here, you got in. Yeah. Anyway, if you would have got in right here, it went up 87 points for you. And if you would have got in here somewhere, it went down 70, 76 points. Okay? Oh yeah, if you sell from up here, I didn't mark it in yet. Please excuse me. Okay. Yeah, there was a sell trade in there. It was good. And a buy trade in here. Right there. And it's gone up now 48 points or ticks or whatever. So there, we had some good stuff on the oil. And that's the last market for today. Well, the markets that we watch. And then I take a quick look at the, the cryptos. The kleptos. Okay, let's take a look. Bitcoin. Oh, it's coming back up. Some good news must have come into the market finally. XRP up to? Come on, baby, be up. Oh, yeah, a little bit. Come on, little buddy, go up there. Okay, silver. Yeah, it's still down a bit. And Ethereum, it's trying to come back up, yeah. Okay, so that's it for the video for today. I'm so glad I got this working again because I've used it for a very, very long time. Since 2007. I think since 2007 I've been using this record the screen software, and it's acted up a few times over the years. And I had to get it fixed, and yeah. But anyway, so I want to thank you for coming out and watching and listening. And if you like it, please hit the like button. If you don't like it, well, then subscribe. If you don't like it. Okay, I'm kidding. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that too. Yeah, and that's it for today. Have a good afternoon. Good luck and good trading.